Hey everybody, good morning. We're going to take a look at our Jamstack, just a review update. Not a hint, not a forecast, just a review because the next Jamstack will be coming out soon, within a week or two. So let's just savor our latest run while we have it. So, um, you know, it's going to be interesting to see whether this is centrally based or east based in terms of the warmest waters. Let's take a look at a different model though, see what that has. So this is clearly indicating it's kind of mixed. Now this is more central based off the F23D VAR model. Let's throw it back a little to June and see what this model has. So here's June. Again, it has a weaker version of the El Nino. Go to May. Um, Go to May, and again, still an El Nino, but a little bit weaker, I would say. Let's try. Let's do focus in on winter on our latest run though. Um, so again, taking a look at our sea surface temperatures for this winter off the ensemble. And again, very strong El Nino. I guess this is I was wrong. This is a negative PDO, not a cold PDO, but a negative PDO, which I got hoodwinked by that. It just looks positive because there's so much warm water in the PDO region. But let's take a look again at our 2-meter air temperature anomaly and see what that is forecasting. And again, a lot of cold in the central, southern Gulf states. Europe's warm. A lot of times you correlate Europe with USA winter weather. If Europe is cold, you typically get the USA cold. But again, Europe is pretty warm. So kind of unusual to a certain degree. Precip anomalies look like this. Again, we got that active subtropical jet. I do want to switch gears a little bit and go to our 8 to 14 day temperature so we can get an analog for this time frame. So here's our 8 to 14 day temp outlook, just to look at it first. Pretty warm across the USA, dry in the Northwest, wet in several areas across the country. Taking a look at our analog for this brief little update, and our highest year is 2018, similar to this year. Then we have 2016, 2023, 2010, 2023, and 2020. We do have 2010 in the mix, which was a year that preceded a summer rather that preceded a very cold winter. So, but again, that's not too significant as we only have one 2010 in there. Nothing really rings a bell here because there's no like really a string of a lot of the same here. But I do want to take a look at our last thing. We'll do our NAO. And again, our NAO is a good factor for this winter if we can get it cooperating with us. So right now we have a negative NAO, and it's been trending negative. If you can see, when I first started in April, it was positive, and it's been pretty much trending negative. So that's a good trend to have a negative NAO. So brief update. I will go back to your comments later on today. I know there's a few people that left a few comments, so I will get back to those. But just a brief little update for you guys. And then I should have some more intense updates coming up later this week. Again, happy Monday to you. Hope you all enjoy your week. Have a great day. Tyler's World of Weather. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.